I'm launching my latest collection of high converting stock images. It's 12,649 hand selective emotive images, perfect for all types of marketing. So no matter what type of list you have, this will be a high converting offer for you to promote. Everyone loves looking at visually appealing images. That's exactly what I'm providing in the Primo collection. The launch is running with twice daily price increases, so there's massive amounts of scarcity built in throughout the launch period. Because there's always a high converting funnel behind my front end products, affiliates who promote my offers are always sitting back and counting the commissions rolling in. So if you're still looking and searching for profitable affiliate promotions, you just found one. Head across to the JV page right now to claim your affiliate link. Promote the Primo collection now and fill your PayPal with masses of commissions. There's some example images below this video on the JV page, and you can check out the sales page preview using the link below. All the images in this video are from the Primo collection. So head across to the JV page right now, sign up for the JV list, and grab your affiliate link, then watch the commissions start rolling in.